Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Monday and I'm here with Lecture Monday with the next part in technical terms in plant breeding. Starting with the first one, that is epidemic. Epidemic means a disease development in a population from low infection level to high. It can be artificial as well. So artificial कैसा होगा? Human से created. कैसे? By providing inoculum and suitable environment for the disease development. और इसको हम लोग यूज करते हैं रेजिस्टेंट टेस्ट करने के लिए भी. Now, next one is epigenetic changes. Means changes that are stable through mitotic division and not meiosis, and such changes are transmitted to clonal but not to sexual progeny. Epiphytotic क्या होता है? Same as epidemic. एपिस्टैसिस क्या होता है? इंट्रैक्शन बिटवीन टू डिफरेंट जीन. मतलब एक जीन का इफेक्ट इज affected by, उसका एक्सप्रेशन इज affected by another pair of gene. या तो मास्किंग हो जाएगा, या तो इनहांस हो जाएगा, या सप्रेस हो जाएगा, कुछ भी. कोई भी एक जीन दूसरे जीन के एक्सप्रेशन को जहां पे भी इफेक्ट कर रहा है, दैट इज एपिस्टैसिस. Now, error variance, that is variance due to factors beyond the control of an experiment. इसको environmental error भी बोलते हैं, that is also known as environmental error variance. It is used as a denominator in F test. जब हम लोग F test करते हैं तो हम लोग सारे variance को error variance से divide करते हैं. Now, scape. Scape क्या होता है? More commonly, disease scape. It is also known as disease scape. Phenomena of susceptible plants avoiding the disease attack. Also plants showing scape. Means वो disease attack को ही escape कर रहा है, avoid कर रहा है उस चीज को. Now, esterification, that is interaction of OH group of an alcohol with COH group of an organic acid to form CH2OOC or CHOOC linkage. Now, the last one is euheterosis, heterosis or true heterosis. जब F1 progeny जो होता है वो parent से superior होता है, that is known as heterosis. So that's it for the day. If you like the video, please hit the like button, share it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'll again come up till that. Take care. Bye bye.